In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Microsoft Access 2026 on Windows 11. Install Microsoft Access 2026. By the end, you'll have Access up and running and know exactly what to click so you don't miss anything important. First, open your web browser and head to office.com. Sign in with the Microsoft account that has your license. This could be personal, work, or school. Make sure the account includes Access as part of your Microsoft 365 plan or a standalone license. It also helps to be on a Windows 11 PC with a stable internet connection and admin rights, since the installer may ask for permission to make changes. Once you're signed in and on the Microsoft 365 homepage, look to the top right corner for the Install Apps button. On some accounts, it might be labeled Install Office, but it's in the same spot. Click it to reveal more installation choices. Before you start a quick install, choose Other Install Options or Apps and Devices. This part is important. Access is sometimes separate from the default bundle, so this page lets you confirm it's included. If you see options for version, language, or architecture, pick what fits your system. Most Windows 11 devices should use the 64-bit option. If you rely on older add-ins or drivers that only support 32-bit Office, select 32-bit to maintain compatibility. Choose your preferred language, then proceed to get the installer. Your browser will download a small setup file, typically named something like Office Setup. If you're asked to save or run, choose Save, and remember where it's going, usually the Downloads folder or your browser's download tray. The file is just a launcher. The real installation happens online. When the download finishes, open the .exe file. If Windows displays a permission prompt, click Yes. The Microsoft installer will connect to the internet, pull down the necessary files, and begin installing Access. Keep your PC awake, maintain a steady connection, and close any open Office apps to prevent conflicts. Install times vary based on speed and system performance, but you'll see progress indicators. When the message confirms you're all set, you can close the installer. To open Access, click the Start button and type Access in the search bar, then select Microsoft Access 2026 from the results. On first launch, you may need to sign in so your license can activate. From here, you can create a blank database or open an existing one. If you don't see Access after installation, double check that your license includes it and repeat